your girl Hunchovb VB. I hope everyone's having a great day. Well, it's lunchtime and I'm trying to make a light lunch, and I got some chicken breast. So why don't we put some chicken breast in the air fryer and make a good grilled chicken breast salad. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I have the 2 chicken breasts. I have pat them dry. I'm going to put some stone ground mustard over the chicken breast. And if you don't have stone ground, I mean, you probably could use Dijon. Just trying to give some added flavor to the chicken breast. Okay, so for the seasoning, I'm going to use the pink Himalayan pink salt with black pepper and garlic. And I picked this up at the farmer's market. I'm going to give this a try. This is the historic Lynchburg Tennessee Whiskey Barbecue seasoning and rub. This should be really good. Okay, let's get these off to the air fryer. Okay, I got the chicken breast over into the air fryer basket. I'm going to close the lid. Turn it on. Okay, I got, this is after 12 minutes. I flipped them at 6. And I forgot to mention that I sprayed them with avocado oil. Okay, so let me got my meat thermometer here, so let's see. Let me get it over to poultry. Okay, let's try. Okay, I think I need to go a little bit longer here. These are some thick chicken breasts. I'm going to say another 3 minutes. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. Actually, it took a total of 19 minutes. The chicken breasts are thick, so if you want to cut down the time, you could, if you have thick chicken breasts, you can really cut them in half. And that would reduce the time. But anyway, I have what I was looking for. So I'm going to let this rest for a few minutes, and then I'm going to slice it up and put it into the salad. Be right back. Alright, let me give this a slice here. Oh yes. Very nice. It's still hot. Look how juicy that is. You can see the moisture right there. Okay, let me continue slicing this up. And let me get it ready to put on the salad. Okay, I got this all cut up. Let me switch over and get the salad going. Okay. Bam! Nice salad. Bring this over. I'm going to try my organic ranch dressing that I just got. Oh, you might be wondering what else I have in my salad. I have fresh tomatoes, croutons. These are the craisins. I have avocado. I have a little roasted corn and spring onion. I'm trying to make it my salad like as if I was going out to a restaurant. And of course then my grilled chicken in the Ninja Foodie. Okay, I think I need a little cracked black pepper. All right, now it's ready. Okay, let's give this a taste. Doesn't that look good? I'm gonna have to cut this up. I should have cut it up in smaller pieces. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give this a taste. Okay, I'm gonna taste the chicken by itself. This is good. Not dry. I hate dried out chicken breast. I'm gonna mix this all up in my salad. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Guys, this is good. Let me go have my lunch now. If you like this video, click like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, Hunchovb BB is out.